Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Bits. These are the important bits of Group 2 examination and the topic is History, Polity and Society. Who constructed the Thousand Pillar Temple? Rudradeva. Who got the title Gajasahini Jayappa Nayaka? The answer is Jayappa. Motupalli Port was developed by, the answer is Ganapati Deva. The author of Kridabhimam was Vallabharaya. Who issued Bayaram tank inscription? The answer is Mailamba. Who issued Magalu inscription? The answer is Dhanarnava. Next question. From whom Betaraju II took Shaiva Diksha? The correct answer is Rameshwara Pandit. Dash came to power after Betaraju II. The answer is